Hi there, I'm Paula Weller with Axis Strength, and we're going to demonstrate today the chest press series using our power straps. So what we're going to do is start out by having our anchoring straps a minimum of 6 feet off the ground. The first progression we're going to start out with today is we're going to have our power strap adjustment strap actually quite high. Sneaking in behind the power strap, we're going to have the adjustment clamp facing away from our body so that it's not actually rubbing against our shoulders as we're coming down into our movement. And we're bringing our feet in our first progression into a staggered position to allow for less body weight. This is a really great progression to begin with if you're a beginner at chest press or coming back from any type of shoulder injury for rehabilitation. And our first progression, we're going to bring our hands on our straps a little bit wider than body width apart, leaning down into position, keeping the head, shoulder, and hip in nice alignment to provide some nice stability, trying to keep our body in full plank, utilizing your core muscles. And when you come back, you're going to contract the chest muscle and press. Our second progression, we're going to come into the same position, except for we're going to have our feet about the same width as our hands. What this allows for is a little bit more body weight to be added on. We're going to keep the same full plank alignment as we lean down into a 45-degree angle from the ground. Again, contracting that chest muscle and pressing on the way up. Third progression, a little bit more stability needed. We're going to come with our feet together and pressing again on the way up. Our last progression at this length or height is coming into a 1-foot position where you're creating more stabilizers to be utilized during the movement. And we're coming back down to our 45-degree from the ground, pressing again on the way up. Our last progression that we're going to do today for you is we're actually going to lower the adjustment straps by compressing the clamp, coming all the way back down to about mid-height. Depending on the angle that you want, you can bring the adjustment straps a little bit lower if you'd like to have even more instability, or if you'd like to have a little bit more of a challenge. Again, having the clamps face out away from your body, coming down at a steeper angle to the ground, and pressing again on the way up with the same body alignment that we used for the other demonstrations. So that's our different progressions today for the chest press with our power straps. Thanks.